Hi there, I'm Sue Clement from Success Coaching. I'm an international speaker, networking expert, and author of Insider Secrets to Referral Success. Want to make the most of your networking events? Well, prepare. That's right, the Boy Scout motto, be prepared. Before you head out to a networking event, make sure to make a list of things that you want to share with or offer to those that you meet. For example, new resources that you've recently discovered allows you to engage in meaningful conversations that offer values. Or problems that you solved or successes that you've had enhances your reply to the "so what do you do" question. Expertise that you've developed or advances in your field positions you as a credible expert. People or services that you want to promote or refer, perhaps a client, a supplier, referral partner, or even another network member. This will position you as a hub or resource. Before you attend that next networking event, go the extra step and ask people in your close network what do they need. Remember, networking is about being of service. Taking a list of what others need, people, resources, or prospects, etc., will make you a master at networking and making those great connections for others. So remember, be prepared. I'm Sue Clement from Success Coaching, and if you want the best tip of all, well, get your free download of 88 Tips to Network Like a Pro. 28 pages full of great information. Visit my website, sueclement.com/tips.html.